Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to the technical and quality section for understanding the technical requirement in and quality standards in the clothing industry, making a sustainable garment. I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about how to make a basic two-piece sleeve in the apparel manufacturing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. How to make a basic two-piece sleeve pattern. Option 1, basic two-piece sleeve. Step 1. First draft a normal sleeve following the required sleeve length, armhole, sleeve cap height, bicep and cuff opening measurement. Add 2.5 cm ease on the sleeve crown by increasing the sleeve cap height and width while drafting the pattern. Step 2. To convert normal sleeve to two-piece sleeve. Fold sleeve pattern same as shown on below image. On folded pattern, mark the elbow line 33 cm below sleeve head. Step 3. Comparison of folded sleeve pattern and mannequin sleeve shape. Sleeve pattern needs to be bow-like body arm. Step 4. Cut the folded pattern at elbow area and rotate the pattern as shown below. Step 5. Cut and shift the sleeve inseam and outseam as shown in below pattern. Shift seam inside 2.5 cm and outside 2.5 cm, and at outseam shift seam 5 mm at cuff opening, shift seam 1 cm at elbow, shift seam 1.2 cm at armhole. Now complete the basic two-piece sleeve. Final step, check the sleeve balancing with the body. How to make a tailored two-piece sleeve pattern. Below we have a pattern for textured men's blazer. We also have the measurement chart. We will take the armhole, sleeve length, bicep and sleeve hem measurement from this chart for making the two-piece sleeve pattern. Option 2, tailored two-piece sleeve. Draft the sleeve pattern using the body armhole shape as shown in the below method. Make sleeve length 26.25 inch, bicep 16.5 inch and mark elbow 13 inch below sleeve head. Body armhole 21.75 inch, 0 to 1, 1/3 armhole, 0 to 6, half bicep plus 1 inch, 0 to 2, DF, 0 to 3, EG, 4 to 5, BF plus 3/8 inch, 4 to 3, CG plus 7/8 inch, 7 to 8, AF plus half inch. Sleeve opening is 12.5 inch, top sleeve open 7 inch and under sleeve open 5.5 inch. Finally complete a tailored two-piece sleeve and check the armhole measurement plus ease required on the sleeve crown. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.